After all, computers crash, people die, relationships fall apart. The best we can do is breathe and reboot.
There must have been an angel by my side. Something heavenly like. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.
I know, but sisters, I'm so glad you're here because I'm having a midlife crisis. Before I even get into everything that I'm going through right now, I'm about to put in this leave-in. It's from African Bride. It's a leave-in cream. It's so good. It also acts like a detangler. I'm about to slug my hair with this and some oil because I know I look crazy. And if it's a safe space, I'm going to show y'all what my apartment look like right now. I don't know who did it and why. I don't know who did it. And I don't know why. But my closet, cue Frank Ocean's or Tornado flew around my room because it looks a hot mess. It looks a hot mess. My kitchen, my sink, filled to the brim. Filled to the brim. My whole entire life looked like nobody loved me. I haven't been cooking. I haven't been eating no home cooked meals. I just been struggling, y'all. So we gotta get ourselves together, okay? I don't know if this is gonna be a Sunday reset or a weekly reset, but Tara needs to do a reset. Like, we have to get our lives together, okay? Because this is not me. This is not who I am, okay? We all have them down bad weeks where we just gotta get things together. So that's exactly what we finna do in today's video. Tonight, I'm probably gonna take this style out and put in some chunky dookie braids. And I'm probably either gonna wear my hair like that for the next few days, or I'm going to take them out and do a braid out. I'll probably do a combination of the two. Also, I don't know why I don't have a legit bristle brush, and I've been trying to do my hair with this itty bitty skinny tiny bony ass brush. I need to get my life together.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so hot in here from smoking on this weed. Told him go take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so hot in here from smoking on this weed. Go take a shot on 3.
Jesus, I was looking a little homeless at first, not gonna lie. Gotta lock it in with a scarf per usual. If you don't, it's just gonna poof up if your texture is anything like mine, child. Okay, I'm about to do my skincare, and then afterwards we are going to get started with getting our whole lives together, okay? I just got a text message that my groceries got delivered, so let's go get them, girl. So I really only got like fruits and vegetables. I had some proteins already in my freezer. Like I had some chicken thighs and I had some shrimp. I said I wasn't buying no more protein, and I had some sausages. Hamburger meat, whatever the case may be. I said I wasn't buying no more protein until I eat that, because I had those proteins for about 2 weeks now. Why haven't I ate the groceries I purchased? So I'm putting myself on a strict rule. If I'm not eating the groceries that I already have, I don't deserve to buy more. And I'm about to meal prep some things, okay? So some snacks, some lunches. I go into office twice a week, and I have a really bad habit of ordering out for lunch when I'm in the office because I don't prep my food the night before to take it for lunch. So that changes today. Okay, I lied. I did get one protein. Technically, it's bacon because I saw this chicken Caesar bacon wrap that I wanted to do, and I'm sick because it's supposed to be like a really big Caesar wrap, and they gave me the wrong size of these tortillas. Like, I wanted the big, large ones. How am I do a wrap with those? Usually I like to have light breakfast, so I got a lot of the yogurt because I'm gonna do parfaits. I got some strawberries, and these actually look really good for both my parfaits and my acai bowls. I got some things that I've never had before. I've never had rice vinegar in my home per se. I probably had it in a meal going out, but I saw the viral carrot salad and I want to make it. These carrots is skinny as hell though. Girl, what the? That's one thing about getting your groceries online. You never know what produce they're gonna give you. And I hate letting them pick my produce, but I'm very forgetful. And I love just standing here in my kitchen looking at my refrigerator like, okay, I'm low on butter, or it's a tub of sour cream in here, but there's only a scoop of sour cream in here left. Let me get some of that. You know, that's how I like doing my stuff, okay? I got these acai packets. They're usually pretty good. I like the ones from Trader Joe's better though, because acai bowls from Pliable be like $15. That's insane. Okay, I'm about to clean out my fridge. I hate feeling wasteful, but I think a lot of this stuff is either like, oh, or I know damn well I'm not gonna eat it anymore. Leftovers that I never got around to eating. I don't drink Gatorade. This say best by April, baby, it's June. Oh my God. Boom shakalaka, yes God. Now me personally, I don't know why they call these Lazy Susans. They should have been called Smart Susan, because Susie was smart as shit for this. God dang. This is heavy, girl. I should have did this first. Gonna take me out. Cutie. I think I'm going to make myself some little fruit bowls. I'm just going to do 2 for this week since I go into office twice a week. Because I have this problem with getting ready for work and forgetting to eat. And like I said earlier, I don't be wanting nothing too heavy, but you gotta put something on your stomach, man. Like, well, especially me, I tend to pass out, so I can't be playing around. I might just put it in his face. I'm talking about eating it. Well, let me and some blueberries. I hate the way blueberries stain your fingers. This is also really smart to do, like, if you want to section out your fruit for your acai bowl, so you just good to go in the morning time. But yep. Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to make the viral carrot salad. I'm gonna start by taking the nasty part of the skin off. You know, the part that everybody probably been touching on in the grocery store. Okay, boom. And now I'm gonna keep the rest of the carrot. So shout out to Cassie, girl, because literally everyone has been making your viral carrot salad and it looks really good. So we're gonna see what she's hitting on. We're gonna be here for a minute. Okay, that was 1. Oh wait, actually I need to put this in a mixing bowl first. Okay, I got all of my carrots. Aren't carrots good for like your vision or something? Vision about to go crazy, okay? And they also say to mince up some garlic. I'm excited. I'm basically about to eat my skincare, if you will. I ain't eating this in the office though. Breath about to be humming. Gotta wash my hands like crazy after this. Red onion and 2. Like what? Mind you, I'm the type of person that will literally bring a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a mini travel size of TheraBreath to work, but still, like that's crazy. And I don't think this is gonna give me the slices I want, so I'm just gonna julienne myself. Now I'm crying already, goddamn. Oh no. Oh no. I can't see. Woo, okay, that was not easy. But you can't tell me that these onions ain't thin as thieves. These are thin as thieves, okay? Thin as thieves is crazy because ain't the saying thick as thieves. But anyways, razzle dazzle my red onions in. Dang, that onion just tried to take me out, okay? But yay, this is what we have so far. Can you see? Okay, now for the most part, everything else is just seasonings and sauces. In here, I'm gonna put olive oil. I don't measure a damn thing, so I just pour with my heart. We're gonna do a little bit of soy sauce. I always get less sodium because soy sauce can be so stinking salty. Do a razzle dazzle, a little pour of that. I've never had rice vinegar before, but it's a vinegar, so let me see. Ooh, girl, what the helly? I'm only gonna put a little bit of that. She stank. And I'm gonna do a squeeze of lemon. I had a little corner of a lemon left over. I know y'all see all these groceries that I pulled out of my fridge earlier. I'm not gonna just toss everything. Like, if anything is salvageable or I can use, I'm gonna use it. Just like this lemon. So I'm gonna do a good squeeze of her. And then I have 2 different garlic chili oils. One is super spicy and she don't have much oil, and the other one is like really oily. So I'm gonna do a little combination. Hold on now. Yeah, because I've been in the gym. Don't play me. My first scoop of this is like literally going to be oil only. And then I'm gonna do a nice heaping scoop of like the actual chili crunch. I got this one for free, actually. It's from this restaurant that's nearby me called Roll and Play or something like that. Oh my God. Who is closing these things like this? I've opened this already before. I already had this. Jesus Christ. You can tell the difference in the color of this one too. It's hella dark. I'm only gonna put like that much in there because like this is crazy. And then I'm gonna do a few seasonings because why not? I'm gonna do some onion powder. I would do garlic powder, but I ran out and I forgot that I ran out. I could have purchased that this morning too. And then I'm gonna do this like Goya perfect seasoning. It's just like a blend of different things. And I'm gonna do some fresh cracked black pepper. Fresh cracked black pepper has changed my life. I'll probably never go back to just having regular pepper again. It don't hit the same. And then I'm just going to, this is what she looks like. And I'm just gonna blend her up. Mixy, mixy. And make sure you get in there good too if y'all make this at home, because you have those heaping scoops of minced garlic that we put in there earlier. And you want that to be like evenly distributed. It smells really good. Should I taste some? See if anything needs any extra seasoning. Mmm. No. She went crazy with this one. And it's kind of perfect. It's just me in here, so not too much. This is really good. This is so good. I'm over here I keep nibbling at it already. This is fire. The way I'm about to scoop every last drop out of this bowl because it's so good. And this is going to taste even better tomorrow after it like marinates all night and all the juices soak into it and everything. And I'm sure you can pair this with anything because it's like basic flavors. Skin about to be glowing, okay? I know that's right. Eat your skincare. So since I'm starving, I'm literally about to nibble on this real quick. And then we're going to kick shit into gear. And I'm going to clean my house.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit.
They say she came from home. I'ma stay before the right fly. I look too good.
I got that blue fever.
I'm a fire breathing creature. As long as you love.
I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body.
Play with a cat, don't you? Real rats, plentiful, 4K, we going digital. You gotta pop that ass in the morning, come. You want shots for the girl, then order some. Baby girl.
Hey, can you please do a most for me? Cause I'm strong. Get a pink drop with a drum.
Damn that shit up!
Ain't that ass in the bottom, too bomb-bed. Oh, she deep, she eat a cornbread.
Hi guys. Okay, I've been in here jamming, but my food is done. I'm so happy and I'm so excited to eat. I've been in here slaving all day, it feel like, with the whole carrot salad situation. But also, before I dig in, I made my lunch for tomorrow. Okay, I was really looking forward to my chicken Caesar wrap, but it's okay. I'm gonna make that probably for when I go in Wednesday. I just gotta go get some better tortillas. But usually if I'm making jambalaya, I would make like a sausage and shrimp kind of vibe. But I had already took out my chicken, so it's okay. We're just gonna vibe out. Cheers, bestie. I love a one-pan meal too. You know, you don't gotta do a lot of dishes. I like my jambalaya on the saucier side. I don't like it when it's like mostly rice and no sauce. I don't like it to be too thick. And if you've never tried jambalaya with sour cream, please try it. Okay, if you like chili with sour cream, you'll like this, because any tomato based like little situation gonna taste good with some sour cream 9 times out of 10. Probably except for spaghetti. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this little reset. My house is clean. I gotta do more dishes now, but other than that, my house is clean. Thank God, because it was a pigsty in here first. I feel ready to take on this upcoming week, and I just feel a lot better about myself all in all. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give me a like and let me know what I should film next, because I'm always interested to see what y'all actually want to see on my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, mamas.
Tell me you'll never wanna lose me. Tell me you'll never wanna lose me.